Okay.
Hang on. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you.
Need to light them again? One more time? One more time. Load up.
You are good at that.
You want to open your presents or eat your cupcake first?
Awesome.
Look here. There's an Anna ring.
Look, it's Anna.
It's an Anna
You
ring.
gotta eat the frosting.
Oh, you were so pretty.
All right.
You gonna eat your cupcake or open presents?
Mom, you want this?
Oh, take the paper off.
Hang on, that's what these are for.
Here, wait, hold this for a second. Okay, let me take the paper off.
There you go.
Eat it.
Oh, I don't want it. It's your cupcake.
You want me to
may
put it
not
up?
like She may not like it.
Let's open our presents.
I love my cupcakes.
Okay, I
Good.
set it right
Yummy,
there.
yummy, yummy.
Okay, let's open some presents.
Her
No.
teeth are pink.
Now,
Open presents.
Let her do what she wants at her speed.
What's that be?
Open it.
It's on there.
Thank
it's
you.
on. Hold on. Look at this Niminimas. I see Niminimas. All right.
What's my daddy go?
These at the movies with your mama.
He'll be
Why
back.
does he have movies for it?
Well, we got a cupcake for him. He'll be back and he can have a cupcake.
Yes, please.
Okay, let's see what you got.
What is it? I'm not gonna know what it is. It's a dress. Oh,
Oh. Show the
Oh.
camera.
Oh, look here. Look. Look at it. That's so cute.
No,
See what here? Have it. See what else you got.
I don't know. I got more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, let's start opening.
Yes, we got more presents everywhere. Let's see.
I
because
know.
Everybody loves her.
Everybody loves Nana.
Yeah.
What it is? I know what that one is.
A bathing suit
It's a baby.
Wait,
It's
there's
a
another
bathing
part.
suit.
and the pants.
There's the pants.
Isn't that cute?
It's
Oh.
a swimming suit.
Pretty
Oh
suit.
my gosh.
What? Not your see?
Okay.
Not your. What's Emily?
Annie,
So pretty.
Emily's over here.
let's see what else we got.
It's
I
very
love
pretty.
it.
I
It's
love
so
it.
toothy.
Right here. All right. Let's
Open
see
it up.
what
So
else you got.
Yeah, let's see.
Hand me that
Yeah.
trash there, baby, and we'll keep it right there.
What is that?
There we go. That way we don't make a mess.
No, you don't want to make the mix.
Nope.
Yeah, we can touch it.
Lots of stuff.
She's a good opener. She's good. Another bathing suit.
It's another swimsuit. Did you look at it?
look how many colors.
Isn't it pretty? It's polka dot.
There's stripes
We can
and
go.
polka dots.
We can go swimming when we get to your new house.
Swim.
And you're good for swimming.
I let's go swimming.
The women's swimming.
You having a swimming birthday party?
Right here. Thank you.
Good job.
I love open my present.
Mm-hmm.
What could it be?
We don't know.
Let's see.
She's a neat nut. Really good. I'm proud.
Oh,
You got it.
Oh no.
oh, we knocked one in the floor.
That's okay.
We'll get it. It's okay.
So what you got now?
Man.
There's some short sets. Look at that.
Man. Look how
You like
cute
it?
that is. Look,
She
Annie.
wants you to see, Annie.
Those are, look, they got a pink bow. They got a pink bow. Hey, see that one over there in the floor?
What's that be?
It's trying to take off.
What's open? What's open? I will open it up present. Thank you, see.
Okay. Punky got you some of these too.
From all of us, because we love
Oh, this is my favorite.
you. You know what this is?
Open it up. Look at it. Open it up.
You know what? It's got a cape on it.
It's Wonder Woman.
And see the
It's
little
a
blue
cape.
cape?
You have a cape.
Is that cool?
It's a shirt with a cape.
And some pants, too.
Did you see the shorts? Let me see your shorts. You see this? This is Wonder Woman. See, look here. There's Superman and Wonder Woman and Batman. Thank you. Man, you still got a lot to open. My gosh.
Open the big one.
Big present.
Big
Big.
present.
What is it?
Have to open it and see.
The other big butterfly. What that mean? What me open up?
Yeah, watch her open it up.
No! What is that?
That's, he's getting it ready.
Oh, man.
What is it?
It's on the puzzle.
It's a puzzle.
Frozen.
It's a big one, isn't it?
It goes on the floor. It's a floor puzzle. After you finish opening presents, we'll play with that. All right.
Well, careful, baby.
Don't open it.
Okay, let me set it right here by your other presents.
Okay, Auntie.
Okay.
It's more presents.
Yeah.
Goodness, that's a lot of presents. Are you getting tired from opening all them presents?
Yeah. More presents and more M&Ms.
And
Yeah.
Love the M&Ms.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Let's open our presents.
Let's open them up. I got it. What is it? Did
Open
you
it
look
up.
at it? Look here. Look. It's a gown. Isn't that cute?
Oh.
Isn't that cute?
Let's open my another present.
Well, keep opening. Oh, this one's cute.
What is it?
What's
It's Mickey Minnie Mouse, isn't it?
Open it up.
that?
Oh, it's
They're
short.
shorts.
Those are
Let's
pants.
see the shirt. Open it up.
Oh.
What's it look like? Show the camera.
It's Minnie Mouse.
Getting ready for warm weather.
Wow, that is so cute.
One more.
You got one more. And then you can have your M&Ms.
Okay, Auntie.
I got it. I think so.
It has more presents.
It's another gown.
Who's on it?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Lala Oopsie. Do you want to
Let
put
me
any of
see.
this on?
Show
No,
me
I don't
Nana.
think so. Let's do something else.
Well, we're gonna eat cupcakes.
You want to eat your cupcake or your M&Ms?
It's not present.
Hand me your M&Ms. I'll open them up.
Okay.
You need a drink? Oh, baby.
Oh.
Oh, baby.